What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying, your go-to place for smart kitchen tools that make cooking easier and more fun. Today, we are checking out the best smart meat thermometer that helps you cook with confidence and perfect results every time. If you love precision and convenience in your kitchen, this is something you will enjoy. Let's get started. Today, we are exploring the Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer, a powerful and modern cooking tool designed to take the guesswork out of your meals. Right from the start, the Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer feels like a premium device built for serious accuracy and ease of use. It helps you cook meat exactly the way you want without constant checking or stress. One of the standout features of the Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer is its real-time temperature tracking. It keeps updating the internal temperature as your food cooks, so you always know what is happening inside. Along with that, it gives you flip reminders and rest timers, which means you do not have to guess when to turn your food or let it rest. This makes your cooking process smoother and more controlled. Another impressive feature is the 5-sensor system. The Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer includes 4 internal sensors and 1 ambient sensor. This setup allows it to monitor both the inside of your food and the surrounding heat at the same time. As a result, you get consistent and accurate cooking results from every angle. The ultra-thin probe design is also a big advantage. It helps keep the natural juices inside your meat so your food stays tender and flavorful. At the same time, the probe can handle extreme heat up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable for grilling, roasting, or smoking. Connectivity is where the Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer really shines. With unlimited Wi-Fi range, you can monitor your cooking from anywhere. You do not need to stay near the kitchen or grill. Just check your phone and stay updated, which adds a lot of convenience to your cooking routine. Battery performance is another strong point. The Chef IQ Sense Smart Meat Thermometer offers up to 70 hours of continuous use on a full charge. This means you can cook for long sessions without worrying about running out of power. The inclusion of 4 probes makes multitasking easy. You can cook different types of meat at the same time and set different doneness levels for each one. This is perfect when you want variety without extra effort. The Chef IQ app adds even more value. It gives you access to hundreds of presets, USDA recommended doneness levels, and step-by-step video recipes. This makes cooking easier, especially if you want guidance or want to try something new. The Smart Hub also improves the experience with audio alerts and phone notifications. You will always know when your food is ready or needs attention, even if you are not nearby. Cleaning is simple as well because the probes are waterproof and dishwasher safe. This saves time and keeps everything hassle-free. Plus, the 1-year warranty gives you extra peace of mind. Here is the exciting part. If you want to cook like a pro without the stress, this is a great tool to have. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing products. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.